In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transcribe a file in Descript. If you've never used Descript before, don't worry. This process is quick, clear, and great for turning audio or video into readable text. By the end, you'll have a clean transcript you can reference, share, or copy into your notes. First, open your web browser and go to the Descript homepage. Any modern browser works well, but using an up-to-date version will help the site load smoothly. A solid internet connection also makes a big difference, especially if your file is large. Once the homepage loads, give it a second to fully render so all the buttons appear. On the homepage, look for the option that says Transcribe a file. It's typically easy to spot and designed to guide you straight into the transcription flow. Click it to open the upload window. Now attach your file. You can usually drag and drop a file onto the page or click to browse your computer. Common formats like MP3, WAV, M4A, and MP4 are generally supported, but if you're working with something unusual, consider converting it beforehand. Clear audio and video produce better results, so if you recorded the file yourself, minimizing background noise and speaking close to the microphone helps. After attaching, you'll see an upload progress indicator. The time this takes depends on your connection and file size. Avoid closing the tab while it uploads, just let it finish. Once the upload completes, press the blue button to move forward. The wording may vary, but it's the prominent blue button that confirms your choice and kicks off transcription. If you see a short processing message, that's normal. Give it a moment to complete. Processing time can vary with longer recordings, so a little patience goes a long way. While it runs, keep the tab open and avoid heavy downloads. And as a best practice, only upload content you have the right to transcribe, especially for interviews or third-party audio. And that's it, you're done. Your transcript will be generated and displayed for you to view. At this point, you can read through it, copy the text, or simply keep it for reference. If you want even cleaner results in the future, aim for a high-quality original recording, keep speakers close to the mic, and label your files clearly so they're easy to find. You can repeat these same steps anytime you have a new file to convert. You now know the simplest way to transcribe a file with Descript, from the home page to the final transcript. Thanks for following along and enjoy your freshly transcribed content.